Hello students, in this video let us discuss about exercise 8.2 ninth question. CD, GH are respectively the bisector of angle ACB and angle EGF such that D and H lie on sides AB and FE of triangle ABC and triangle FEG respectively. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG. Okay, let me draw the triangle. ABC FEG. CD is the bisector of ACB. CD is the bisector of ACB. GH is the bisector of EGF such that D is on AB, H is on FE. Right? What is the meaning of bisector? Bisector means suppose angle C is going to be divided into two equal parts, as well as angle G is going to divide into two equal parts. That is the meaning of bisector. It divides into two equal halves. Right? Now, as they said, triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG. Now the question is CD by GH equal to AC by FG. So for that, what you do, consider triangles ADC and FGH. ADC, FGH. ADC, FGH. Right? We are considering two triangles ADC and ACD and FGH. ACD and FGH. Okay, let it be, whatever it is. Already we know that these two triangles are similar, ABC and FEC. If they are similar, their corresponding angles are equal. Angle A equal to angle F, and the corresponding sides are in the same proportion. Corresponding sides are in the same proportion. So, also we know that angle C, equal to angle G. Angle C equal to angle G. What is half of, let us divide it by 2 on both sides. Half of angle C equal to half of angle G. What is half of angle C? ACD. What is half of angle G? FGH. Okay, this is our angle and this is our angle. So I can say that by AAA criteria, triangle ACD is similar to triangle FGH. These two triangles are similar. If two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are in the same proportion. What is the corresponding side of CD? CD is GH. And what is the corresponding side of AC? AC corresponding side is FG. Hence proved. Now coming to second point, we need to prove that triangle DCB, HGE, these two triangles we have to prove that they are similar. Of course we can prove easily. We know that angle B equal to angle E, Also we know that angle C equal to angle G, same. Angle C equal to angle G, let us divide by half of angle C equal to half of angle G. Half of angle C is nothing but BCD. Half of angle G is nothing but EGH. Again, both are angles only. Angle. So by AA criteria, by AAA criteria, I can say that triangle DCB is similar to triangle HGE. Now coming to third one. We need to prove that DCA, HGF, same. Corresponding angles are equal. Angle A equal to angle F. Next, we know that angle C equal to angle G. Half of angle C, half of G. Half of angle C is nothing but DCA. DCA equal to HGF. Both are angles only. By AAA criteria, triangle DCA is similar to triangle HGF. First one and second one, third one, both are same. The thing is only angle different. The order is different. Okay, it depends upon angle bisector only. This word is important to this problem. Bisector means it divides the given angle into two equal parts. Based on that only, we proved each and every triangles are similar triangles. Okay, children. Now coming to question number 10. AX dy are altitudes of two similar triangles. Altitudes of two similar triangles ABC and DEF. Then they are asking to show that, prove that AX is to dy equal to AB is to D. What is the meaning of altitude? Altitude is nothing but line segment joining from vertex to its opposite side, and it makes an angle 90 degrees here. Okay, which is not midpoint. The thing is no need of meeting at the midpoint. The line segment joining from vertex to its opposite side only, and it should make an angle 90 degrees. Already they said these two triangles are similar. These two triangles are similar, right? Now they are asking to prove that AX is to dy. AX corresponding side is dy, and AB corresponding side is DE. They are asking to prove. So for that, what I will take, I will consider two triangles. Triangle ABX and triangle DEY. Okay, already they are similar triangles. If they are similar, their corresponding sides are in same proportion, and corresponding angles are equal. What are the corresponding angles here? If I consider these two triangles, angle B equal to angle E, which is common. Not common, sorry, they are equal, and because they are corresponding angles, and as well as angle AXB. Angle AXB equal to angle DYE, each 90 degrees, because they are altitudes. So I can say that by AA criteria, triangle ABX is similar to triangle DEY. These two triangles are similar. I proved. If they are similar, their corresponding sides are in same proportion. So corresponding side of AX corresponding side is dy, and AB corresponding side is D. Right? AX by dy I can write as AX is to dy. AB by DE I can write as AB is to DE. Hence proved. Okay? The thing is, it depends upon the question. Question is, key point is altitude. If you don't know altitude, we cannot say this angle X and angle Y are 90 degrees. Altitude is nothing but line segment joining from vertex to its opposite side, and it should make an angle 90 degrees. So these two angles are already corresponding angles. Angle X and angle Y each 90 degrees. By AA criteria, I said these two triangles are similar. If they are similar, their corresponding sides are in same proportion. Okay, children. This is about question number 9 and 10. They both are on same methods. Everything is depends upon similarity only, children. Okay. Thank you.